So back with another video, y'all. Told y'all I've been having court stuff going on. Right now, I'm coming up with my speech that I'm gonna say, because I got a hearing on February 18th, y'all. In which, in this case, I have objected to magistrate jurisdiction like 3 times in this matter, and they still have transferred my case to a magistrate. In which, y'all, in this particular case that I got going on, they want to schedule a pre-trial conference. Like I said, February 18th, they want to do it on a video call, right? And again, the district judge on this matter is Damon R. Leahy, y'all. Northern District of Indiana, South Bend Division. And so, yeah, like I said, I've already rejected magistrate jurisdiction. I let the district judge know that. He still transferred my case to Scott Frankel, a magistrate judge, and the magistrate judge wants to have a pretrial conference. So, like I said, we're gonna attend it. And this situation, y'all, is involving an officer who came on to my property and took my Range Rover out of my yard, y'all. And this is not an isolated incident. This incident has stemmed from a prior case in which I was challenging police perjury, because a cop committed perjury in my trial proceeding. I had an appeal on that matter, and the judge used racial discrimination, and I was appealing that, and they came over to my house randomly, banging on my doors and windows and shit. I've been talking about that story too, but I'm gonna do another video. But anyway, like I said, we just coming up with what we're gonna say on February 18th, and I wanna read some of it to y'all, and y'all let me know, like, does this sound good? And again, this is for educational purposes only, y'all. It is also for informational purposes only, you feel me? Hood lawyer shit, man. For your info shit, make sure you like, share, and save the video, because you might have to come back to it, y'all. And I'm gonna start in the middle because I got some stuff up here that I don't want y'all to see, but I said, I am here to speak for my family who were asleep in our home on January 28, 2023. This is when the seizure occurred, y'all. This has been going on for 3 years. When we were woken by violent banging on our doors and windows. This was not a knock. It was a riotous act, a siege of our sanctuary. The man causing this terror was not a criminal. He was Officer Dakota Crimmings of the South Bend Police Department, badge number 2336, acting under color of law. He exited his vehicle onto my private property to approach a parked car with an expired license plate. A minor civil infraction, because that's what he did, y'all. Upon contact, he did not ask for my name. Instead, he immediately asserted it was showing I didn't own the Land Rover. And that's what he did upon contact. I'm like, what are you doing here, man? He's like, oh, well, the plates on your car are stolen, and it's coming back that the Land Rover doesn't belong to you. And that's before he even asked me my name or anything. Like, he just asserted the ownership of the truck. So how would you know that, it doesn't belong to me if you haven't asked me who I was? Or, oh, that's because you already knew who I was, right? He possessed pre-existing knowledge. He possessed a warrant. There was no exigent circumstances, no reasonable suspicion of any actual crime, y'all. His own police report, case number 21-1765-001, which he and his supervisor, Mike Ingalls, signed, documents the entire unconstitutional event. It is the self-authenticating evidence of the crime in which it is. And that's where I got him beat at, because I'm using the officer's own report against him. I mean, they leave me no choice, since the city of South Bend has destroyed all the body cam footage, all the cop car dash cam footage, and they even destroyed my truck, y'all. They fucking tuna canned my truck, as they say, compacted.